Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. High Court directs Sessions Court to redact all direct references made to the victim in Tarun Tejpal 2013 rape case after state appeals. Just as chairperson, deputy chairperson of Madgaon municipality elected. 3 ruling panel councillors raise banner of revolt, say they were more deserving. Take MLAs, panchayats in confidence. Check on stress factor as we get ready to fight third wave, says Congress independent MLA. And now for the news in detail. India saw a rise in new COVID-19 cases for the second day in a row as 211,298 people test positive in the last 24 hours. Out of this, 1,504 were in Goa. India had reported 2.08 lakh new COVID-19 cases on Wednesday and 1.96 lakh new cases on Tuesday. The country saw 3,847 deaths in the last 24 hours, 39 of which were in Goa. Meanwhile, in Goa, there is 10 to 20% growth in average daily cases for the past 7 days, according to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.
With this, the total cases have reached 2.73 crore and death toll has surged to 3.15 lakhs. Active cases have declined by 75,684, which now stands at 24,19,907. Average daily cases are declining in 24 states. However, in Goa, if you compare to the national average, it is the opposite. There is negative growth of minus 3.26% in national average growth in daily cases for the past 7 days. Meanwhile, in Goa, there is 10 to 20% growth in average daily cases for the past 7 days. There are only 7 states with more than 10,000 daily cases. Those are Tamil Nadu, followed by Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and Odisha. Only 6 states have more than 1 lakh active COVID-19 cases. Those are Karnataka, followed by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and West Bengal. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The vacation bench of the Bombay High Court directed the Sessions Court to redact all direct references made to the victim and her identity in the hearing held after the state appealed the acquittal of former Tehelka editor-in-chief Tarun Tejpal in the 2013 rape case. The matter will now be heard next week. Here's more.
Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta appeared for the state in its appeal. He called some of its observations in the 527-page judgment astonishing and alleged that they revealed not only the victim's identity but also names of her mother and husband and even her email address. Listen to Praveen Faldesai, Assistant Solicitor General, on the issue.
Today, a learned Solicitor General of India appeared on behalf of the state and pointed out what are the issues in the judgment. And the High Court has also agreed and directed the Sessions Judge to make some alterations before the judgment is uploaded. There is the issue of name and other things, and there are several other issues also. We had not received this judgment until 25th evening. So therefore, we have also requested the court to permit us to add some more grounds to the appeal which we have filed, and that has also been granted by the High Court. The matter will come up next week. We had filed this appeal before the judgment was available to us because we found that the state found that there are glaring irregularities which are required to be brought to the notice of the court, and some issues are required to be rectified immediately, which indeed the High Court has now said in the order. The order will be uploaded in a short while. The High Court has asked the Sessions Court to look into the matter and make some changes before uploading. So that is the reason why it was required to be filed at the earliest. Amendments, as I said, the order was available later on. So when the order came to us, after reading the order, the state finds that there are some more grounds which are required to be added to the appeal which is already filed. So those grounds will be added and it will be submitted to the court. The court has already permitted us to do that. The matter, I think, is fixed on the next Wednesday.
Amar Chavaria for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Elections to the chairperson and deputy chairperson were just about done when the banner of revolt was raised. The ruling Digambar Kamath, Vijay Sardesai, Reginald Lorenzo panel must have surely not expected this. But here it was. Here are the details.
Margam Municipal Council's election to chairperson and vice chairperson was held on Thursday. Goa Forward's Lyndon Pereira became the chairperson and Congress's Dipali Sawal his deputy. Possibly the ink must have not dried on the order when three of the Digambar's councillor Damodar Shirodkar, Ghansham Shirodkar and Mahesh Amonkar raised the banner of revolt. All say that they are senior and experienced, but the caudal was given to somebody else.
First of all, I congratulate Lyndon Pereira as a chairperson and by Dipali Sawal as the vice chairperson. I also salute and congratulate Vijay Sardesai. He has at last 5 years also he succeeded. आतांय मी तो सक्सेड जालो परत आपलो chairperson थंय करपाक. I salute, I congratulate him also. He always shows the interest in Patoda first. He shows the interest in every individual and the voters of his constituency. Whereas I strongly condemn the decision of the Digambar Kamath Margam MLA. He has not shown any interest in the voters and the people of Margam.
26 तारखेचा रिझल्ट झाले उपरांत म्हजे कायद्यान म्हजें ह्या म्युनिसिपालिटीचें 4थी फावटी रिप्रेझेंटेशन 2010 हांव निवडून आयिल्लो 2015 हांवें अश्लेशाक नायक निवडून हाडिल्लें अश्लेशा मरण पावलें 2016 हांवें म्हजे बायलेक निवडून हाडली आनी 2021 हांव आयज परत म्हणजे 4थी फावटी हांव म्हज्या वॉर्डाचें प्रतिनिधित्व करतां आनीक सगळ्यांत पयलीं तुमचे मार्फत हांव म्हज्या सगळ्या वॉर्डाच्या लोकांक धन्यवाद दिता कागदांतल्यान देव बरें करूं खूब वायट दिसलें की सिनियर काउन्सिलर आसतना आनी एक्सपिरियन्स ज्या म्युनिसिपालिटीचे सगळें बरें वायट आमी सगळें पळयलां हें आसतना आमचो खंय तरी विचार जाल्लो गेलो ना हांव आमदाराक दोशी दिना कारण कशें आसता मनशाक खंय चड ते जाता विनाशकाली विकृत बुद्धी म्हाका एकच गोश्ट तुमकां सगळ्या प्रेसाक सांगपाक जाय कॅन्डिडेट जेन्ना सिलेक्ट जाले मडगांव आनी फातोर्डा युती जाली युती जातकीर आमी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलें इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन जालें परती युती जाली परती कॅन्डिडेट 25 फायनल जाले परते आमी प्रेस घेतले आनी हे 25 कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून प्रेस घेतले प्रेसाक गेले पेडार गेले काउन्सिलर 9 आनी 8 17 काउन्सिलर जिखतकीर आमी परते सगळे पेडार आयले देवा दांबा कडेन मागले की बरे भशेन सगळे 17 कॅन्डिडेट रावतले आमी आमचे प्रत्येक दोनी युतीच्या दोनी हांणी आपापल्या आमदाराक रेस्पेक्ट दिलो ताच्या विचारा प्रमाणे आमी रावले आता जेन्ना चेअरपर्सन ठरवप आसता वायस चेअरपर्सन ठरवप आसता हें आपल्या काउन्सिलरा कडेन डिस्कशन करप हें आमदाराचें कर्तव्य आसता म्हणजे खुबश्या लोकांनी ताका सांगलें म्हजेंय नांव कन्सिडर केलें हांवें ताका म्हाजें म्हणणें कशें आशिल्लें मडगांव हांव आनी घनश्याम रेसीक आशिल्लो प्रेसांनी सगळे बातम्या सगळे मडगांवच्या लोकांनी पळयलां जर आमचे भितर जर अंडरस्टँडिंग जावपा आशिल्लें म्हजें म्हणणें अशें आशिल्लें की म्हज्या आमदारान म्हाका आनी घनश्यामाक घेवन बसपाचो
Obviously on the back foot, but putting up a brave front, the panel mentors spoke to Goa 365 on the issue. Listen.
केपें आमी मडगांव सिवीक एलायन्साचो दुसरो प्रयोग तेन्नाय सेम फॉर्मुला आशिल्लो की ज्या मनशाक चड जाता ताका नॅचरली पूट टेक द क्लेम फर्स्ट सेकंडली हे ब्रॉड कॉन्टूर्स ऑफ दीस एलायन्स वेर फ्रेम बाय ओनली 2 of us तातूंत तिसरो कोण मनीस आसपाचें क्वेश्चनूच नासलें आनी जर तें आशिल्लें जाल्यार तें पयलीं उलोवंक जाय आसलें कोण उलयल्या पयलीं सगळ्यांक जाय आशिल्लें फक्त जिखून येवपाक जिखून येतकर आतां सगळीं हें सांगतात हें सारकें जायना देव पळयता की जे बरोबर रावले आनी जे जिखून आयल्या हे बीजेपीच्या अगेन्स्ट मत घेवन जिखून आयिल्ले आहा मुख्यमंत्री आनी सगळे मंत्री हांगा आयले आनी तांच्या अगेन्स्ट कॅनवास केला तांचो पराजय जाल्लो आहा हे इलेक्शनाक तेच लोकां बरोबर जर परते गेले जाल्यार हें कशें जातलें हे ही गद्दारी झाली.
The question that is being asked is whether you had insisted that since you
No, I will insist. See, the point is like this, that when I get my majority, then last time I got 11. You all said that it was right. So now I've got 9. I'm still more than 8.
They say it is 88.
No, why?
And one you got from Kuchori.
No, that is part of our panel. Secondly, the votes आमकां आहा मरे. Ward number 23 चे votes म्हाका म्हणजे फातोर्डा मतदारसंघान येता मरे अर्थ. फॉर्म्युला नासलो पण हांवें तेजो फॉर्म्युला केला. No. Exactly. So that everybody gets, rotation आसल्यार पळय रोटेशनाचेर क्रिटिसिजम आहा. जुजे मारी मिरांडान म्हणिल्लें आहा की 15 म्हयने दिता म्हणटा काम कितें करतलो काय 15 म्हयन्यान कितें जाता ते बरे भशेन करपाक सगळ्यांनी ताका आदार करप आनी फुडलो मनीस जाता ताणें ताचें काम कंटिन्यू करप. आमकां टार्गेट आहा हें लोहिया मैदान पयलें अशेंच आमकां सोंसड्याचो इश्यू आहा. तुका पार्किंग ज्यो प्रायोरिटीज आहा गोवनान घाल्ल्यो आहा दीज आर ऑल्सो अवर प्रायोरिटीज वी आर गोइंग टू डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी विल डू इट. वी विल नॉट फेल द पीपल ऑफ मारगांव एंड फातोर्डा.
कशें आसा आमची प्री पोल अलायन्स जाल्ले आमचे 9 आयिल्ले आमचे 8 नॅचरली ताजें म्हणणें आशिल्लें की जे आपले माय जाल्या तेन्ना पयले प्रिफरन्स आपल्याक घेवपाचो पयलो टर्म आपल्याक घेवपाचो आनी रोटेशन पद्दत केलें म्हणजे कशें आसा जॉब जाणूच उरलें परमनंट अशें ना. सो 2 टर्म्स आमकां 2 टर्म्स तांकां असो एडजस्टमेंट केला विच इज फेअर इनफ आयच्या हातूंत अशें हांव मानता. 15 म्हयन्याचो 1 टर्म अशें आमी बाय ब्रॉड कन्सेन्सस जालो. तांचे कितें ग्रेवन्स जाल्यार आय वील टॉक टू देम.
Sandeep Tuekar for Gua 365 from Margaon.
People have lost their jobs and schools are closed. People have lost incomes also. And all this is due to the coronavirus pandemic. We need to prepare for the third wave. So take MLAs and panchayats into confidence. This is what MLA Rohan Kaunte and Congressman Trajan De Mello have written to the Chief Minister about.
Counseling is the only option to free people and students from this mental stress. Under this shadow, people and students are obviously stressed out. It is imperative for the government to take cognizance of this. Congress spokesperson Trajan De Mello has written to the Chief Minister. Here's more.
I have written a letter today to the Chief Minister expressing my concerns, fears and my opinion that there is a psychological ticking time bomb that can explode anytime due to this pandemic. I have brought to his notice that for the last 1 year our restrictions have been curbed, our socializing has been curbed. Now again we are facing the second wave, and during the second wave it is confirmed that the third wave is coming. The fear and anxiety is so much among the people, among the students who cannot go to school, who cannot meet their friends, who have no sports activity, no examination. This is all bound to create hurdles in their all round development. Similarly to the working class, the jobless, people are losing jobs, partial salaries, the daily wage worker doesn't know what to do, and the heart-wrenching news that comes that our near or dear ones, friends, close relatives are struggling to survive, and the news of losing a near and dear ones is shocking. This is all bound to create a trauma. And therefore I have suggested that the government looks into this very seriously and starts opening counseling centers and educating and explaining to the people that counseling is that counseling should not be a taboo, that counseling is a science to ease down the anxiety and stress on people in this type of moments.
Outspoken MLA Rohan Kaunte wants the government to take MLAs in confidence at least in the preparation of the third wave. He also wants the government to get panchayats involved, keeping politics aside to fight the virus.
The second wave कोविडाची जी आयली तातून आमचे खुबशे गोंयकार ना जाले. We have gone through a tremendous hardships when it came to the health of a common man facing COVID. आणि सरकाराचे कोविड मिसमॅनेजमेंट एक्सपोज झाले. आता एज नंबर्स पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट इज कम डाऊन टू 31%, which looks good, but the death rate is not still declining, which again is a cause of concern. हे पळयता आसतना सरकार आज थर्ड वेव खातीर प्लॅन करता आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान आनी हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान एक बरी गोष्ट केल्या इतल्या दिसांनी. एट लास्ट टू ऑल द सजेशन्स एंड रिकमेंडेशन्स which I was giving is appointment of a task force. आज टास्क फोर्स घेवन ताका फुडें थर्ड वेवाक कित्याक प्लॅनिंग जाय, कशें करपा जाय, डॉक्टर्स जावं पीपल हू आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन दीस फील्ड तांकां घेतल्या आनी थर्ड वेवा खातीर कितें जाय पडटा तें प्लॅनिंग करता. I am happy that the Chief Minister has taken a proactive steps in fear of a third wave. पूण एकूच की टास्क फोर्स जे दितले रेकमेंडेशन्स ते आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान घेवपाची गरज आसतली टू एन्श्युअर दॅट वी आर इफ द थर्ड वेव कम्स इन वी आर रेडी मच मोर बिफोर इन एडवान्स. सद्या सायक्लोनिकाच्या निमित्यान जे हे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उबारून जाला, लेट अस टेक वन कॉल अहेड आणि लेट अस ओपन दीस एज अ कोविड केअर सेंटर फॉर पिडियाट्रिक अँड फॉर आवर पीपल ऑफ पर्वरीम. तर हें पत्र हांवें सीएमाक धाडिल्लें आसाच, पूण ह्या माध्यमांतल्यानूय सरकारा कडेन विनंती करता की थर्ड वेव वेन यू आर प्लॅनिंग let the MLAs also be taken into confidence so that this failure of the MLAs not being taken into confidence, panchayats not taken into confidence is what happened during COVID mismanagement, what happened during the cyclone. आता तरी मातशी बरी तकली येतली अशी हांव आशा बाळगिता आनी हे डिमांड जे हांवें घाल्या ते सरकारान ताबडतोब ताजेर स्टार्ट करचे.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Mala is a flood-prone area of Panaji. However, now the local councillor says that it won't get submerged in future. They claim that the issue has been solved after desilting all the gutters in the area.
The Ward number 19 councillor from Mala, Nilesh Moroskar, spoke about steps taken by local MLA Antansio Babush Monserrat. He said the gutters were not clean for last 25 years. The gutters used to get choked and it would lead to floods in Mala every year, he said. Listen.
आज तुम्ही पळयला आसतले वचो आज सदांच मळ आनी लो लायंग एरिया जाल्ल्या कारणान सदांच हांगा फ्लडिंगाचो इश्यू आसता. त्या कारणान आयज आमी आमचो ऑनरेबल MLAच्या आदारान तशेंच ऑनरेबल मेयर, डेप्युटी मेयर यांच्या आदारान काय आमी एक डिसिल्टिंग हो जो एक स्टार्ट केलेलो आसा ते सिटक हे मेन म्हणजे हे आतां एक कितले म्हाका दिसता फाटली 20-25 वर्सां हांगा केन्नाच हे ओपनिंग जावंक नासलें. 6 तारीख जेन्ना हांगा एक सायक्लोनीक विंड येवन हांगा फ्लडिंग जालेलें, त्या फ्लडिंगाच्या 17 तारीख आमचे ऑनरेबल MLA अलॉंग विथ मेयर, डेप्युटी मेयर सगळे हांगा ताजो सगळे ऑफिशियल आसून तेणी इन्स्पेक्शन केलें. तेन्ना तेजे नोटिसाक येयलें की हे जे काम आसा केलेलें पळय आतां आमी डिसिल्टींग केलें हे फाटले 20-25 वर्सां केन्नाच म्हाका दिसता ओपनिंग जावंक नासलें. तेजो मेन प्रायोरिटी बेजिसार तेणी आमच्या ऑनरेबल MLAन हेजेर फोकस करून मेन लोकांक ह्या फावटी ह्या मॉन्सुनान फ्लडिंग जावचें न्हू हे मेन तेजो उद्देश आसा. त्याच कारणान तेणें इमिजिएटली हें काम स्टार्ट केलां. तुमी तर पळयलेलें आसा आसतलें हांगा कितलो आतां सील कसलो काडलेलो आसा तो. हय हें एक मेन तेजें मेन फ्लडिंगाचो हें एक मेन कारण आसा. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार हे केन्ना कोणी तेजें इनिशिएटीव घेवंक नासलो की हे बाबा जावपाक जाय आसलें. ते सदां एवरी इयर एवरी एक जे सरावंडींग एरिया आसा मला एरिया सदांच फ्लडिंग जाताली. ते सायडीक ते ब्लॉक केलेले आसा आनी थंयसर त्या सायडीक तेजें उदीक येता तेका वाट नासली. एक्सेस तेजो बंद जालो आसा. आतां आमी आतां पळय शहराचो तेका एक आनी न्यू हें करून चॅनल करून हाडून हेका कनेक्ट करतले आनी हें कितें आसा पळय तें आमी हेका खूब उदीक वचपाक तेका आमी नवो हें करून दिताले.
William Rodriguez for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Fishing activities at Kudbona jetty have almost come to a standstill. Most of the trawlers have stopped operations. The fishermen complain they have faced losses during the season and they can't even pay their laborers their wages. The fishermen also said that the sandbar at the mouth of Kudbona river issue had to be sorted out at the earliest.
Fishermen said they have to return empty-handed from the sea even as their boats faced damage due to Tauktae cyclone. The soaring diesel prices too has created pressure on them. It is difficult for them to manage labor salaries and diesel prices. The 99% of the boats have been anchored and the business won't resume soon as the fishing ban is approaching soon, they say. Listen to them.
गेले ते फाटले 1 वर्सा कोविड जावन आमकां सारकी रिस्क आहा धंदो सारको चलना कित्याक कोविडा भिरांत माणयांकूय येवपा लेट जाली बोट स्टार्ट लेट जाल्यो आनी नुस्त्याकूय व्हडलेंच ना कोविडा लागून जालें कितें म्हण खबर ना बट नुस्त्या ना उणें हे पाटी आनी आतां सद्या एक 5-6 दीस पयलीं बोट बंद जाल्यो 30 वर्सां बंद जाल्यो पूण ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट बंद जाल्यो सो नुस्त्याकूय कांय ना एक तुफान पड जालें सायक्लोन पडयलें तेजेर बरो इफेक्ट जाला आनी सेकंड आतां सायक्लोन पड जालो इस्टाक तेजोय मातशें इफेक्ट आहा कित्याक पाणी सारकें टायट आहा करंट टायट आसा आनी वार बी वयता सो बोटी आनी भायर वचपाक शकना आतां ऑलमोस्ट 80% बोट बंद जाले 5% रिवर माउथ ओपन जालो ना कित्याक ट्रेनिंग वॉल जालो ना थिंगा टेंडर काडलो सगळें काम तरी कमेस करपाक सामान बी हाडून दवरलें पूण फायनली कोण कोर्टाक गेले आनी बंद जालें इवन आतां जेट्टी पळय बांदलो आसा ही 200 मीटर एक्स्ट्रा पळय बांदिला ती बरी बांदल्या बट थिंग मातशें ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आहा थिंग अनलोडिंग बी करपाक मेळना सो ताका लागून ते बोट बांदून दवरताय थिंगा काम करपाक मेळना
म्हणटा हे माउथ ऑफ द रिवर तुमकां सारकें जावपाक जाय
जावपाकूच गरज आहा ताका कित्याक लो टायडाचेर तुवें बोट येवपाक मेळना सो 12 आवर्स बेश्टें वयताय तुका भितर येवपाक भायर वचपाक सो गरजे आसता काम करपाक जाय आमगे थोडे बेश्टे NGOs पळय आहाय आनी आमगे भितरले बोटकार आहाय ते तांकां मेळोन आहाय आनी काम करपाक दिनाय
99% बोट बंद जाल्यो तितून एक धाकली ल्हान बोट 1-2-4 वयताय भितर व्हड कांय नुस्तें कांय ना व्हड तुफानाचेर सगळें नुस्तें आतां ते फाटल्यान गेल्ले बोट्यो चोवपाक ट्राय मारपाक मेळटो काय म्हणून कांय मेळना नुस्तें सो डिझला वदान आमकां कांय अशें करून वर्कआवट जायना मुखार आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता कित्याक डिझला रेटी वाडत ते भाशेन आमकां बोट चलोवपाकूच जायना कित्याक जायत बोटी बंद जाले मान्या पगार आनी ते म्हळ्यार ते बेस जायना सगळें तेका लागून
सो आनीक माउथ ऑफ द रिवराक कितें जालें तुमचें
माउथ ऑफ द रिवर आतां जायते वर्सां जालीं ते आज कोद्या फाल्यां कोद्या करून ते पेंडींग लॉंग पेंडींग वर्क तितून गेलें जायते वर्सां जालें 4 बोट सुमार थिंगा फातरार पडल्यो कोसाच्यो पडल्यो पूण कॅज्युलिटी कांय मेळना ना ते बरें जालें पूण
बोटी गेल्यो
फुटोन गेल्यो सगल्यो बोटी फुटोन गेल्यो बरें जालें मानाय सगळें सेफ जालें त्या सगळे क्रिटिकल कंडिशनाचेर बरें सेफ जालें सगल्यो बोट्यो थिंगा सो ह्या आनी लॉंग पेंडींग करपा न्हू कित्याक फाल्यां चड लेबर कोण मेल जाल्यार ते आमकां सोंसूंकूय जावपाना भितरलें कित्याक माउथ ऑफ द रिवर आसा तिका चान्सूय ना एक सायडीन फातर एक सायडीन हें आहा थंयसर फातरां भितर पळयल्यार तुका चान्स कित्याक हेच्या पयलीं बोट फुटलेल्यो सगल्यो मानाय मेले थिंगाचे पयले सो ते बेगीन गव्हर्मेंटान मायनर टेक्निकल कितें तरी फॉल्ट आहा तो जाणा जाच्याक ते करपाक कोण घेवपाचें गव्हर्मेंटान
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Katbona.
Now for the weather. Very light rainfall occurred at 1 or 2 places over the state. There was no large change in maximum temperatures over North Goa and South Goa districts. It was normal over North Goa and above normal over South Goa districts of the state. The highest maximum temperature of 34.6 degrees Celsius was recorded at Murmugaon. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.